Good morning, dear students. Today we will do question number 26, chapter NPO. Following is the receipt and payment account of Shri Mahavir Sports Club for year ended 31st March 2014. Receipts to balance BD cash, bank, fixed deposit at 9% per annum 10,000. To member subscription including 800 for 12-13. Total amount received 96,000. Your current year is 2013-14, but this 800 belong to 2012-13. To member admission fees 3,500. To sale of furniture 1,600. To sale of grass. To donations. To match fund receipts. To interest on fixed deposit. Out of receipt side, revenue receipts are subscription, admission fees, sale of furniture is capital receipt, sale of grass, donation, both are revenue receipts, match fund is capital receipt, interest on fixed deposit is also revenue receipt. Now payment side, salaries, upkeep of field and pavilion, medicine purchase, match expense, building construction, maintenance expense, rent and taxes, grass seeds, cost of second hand car, balance CD, cash, bank, fixed deposit. Now, dear student, payment side, capital payments are building construction 30,000 and cost of second hand car. Both payments are capital payments. These items are shown in balance sheet as asset. And by balance CD, cash, bank and fixed deposit balance, these three items also shown in balance sheet asset side. Now additional information, subscription received is as follow. On 31st March 2013, opening dear student 1000. On 31st March 2014, for 2013-14, 2500. Closing outstanding subscription is 2500, but opening outstanding 1000. But only received 800. Opening outstanding is 1000, but out of 1000, only 800 of previous year is received in current year. Advance subscription are as follow. Opening advance as on 31st March 2013 600 and closing advance 31st March 2014 900. Stock of medicine 31st March 2013 480 and 31st March 2014 650. Dear student, treatment of subscription will be total subscription received during the year 96,000. करंट ईयर ऐड करांगे बेटे सब्सक्रिप्शन 2500 और 800 लास्ट ईयर द जो सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव हुआ है दैट इज डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम दिस फिगर 96,000 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ 2500 ਤੁਸੀਂ प्लस करना है और 800 माइनस करना है और जो ओपनिंग एडवांस है दैट विल बी एडेड एंड जो क्लोजिंग एडवांस है उसनों माइनस करना एज इट इज स्टॉक ऑफ मेडिसिन ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग गिवन है मेडिसिन परचेज ड्यूरिंग द ईयर पेमेंट सेट से डी स्टूडेंट गिवन है 4,000 ਤੁਸੀਂ ओपनिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग जो मेडिसिन ਦਾ ਉਹ ਐਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ क्लोजिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग ਤੁਸੀਂ माइनस करना है ओपनिंग जो स्टॉक ऑफ मेडिसिन है ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड आएगा और जो क्लोजिंग है वो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड आएगा एज इट जो ओपनिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग विच आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन है 1000 होएगा एंड क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट 2500 for current year and 200 for last year because opening outstanding was 1000 and out of 1000 800 is received 200 is outstanding for previous year 2012-13 is pending and जो opening advance subscription है balance sheet liability side पे आएगा opening balance sheet और जो closing advance subscription है closing balance sheet से आएगा स्टाफ सैलरी ओपनिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग डी स्टूडेंट 1200 एंड क्लोजिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग 1400 एडजस्टमेंट्स ने डी स्टूडेंट इन्हों की एडजस्टमेंट की होएगी एक तो ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट लाइबिलिटी साइड आएंगे 1200 क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट लाइबिलिटी साइड आएगा 1400 और जो सैलरी का एक्सपेंस बुक करना है, क्लोजिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी ऐड करना है और ओपनिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग माइनस करना है। The total furniture on 1st April 2013 was worth rupees 20,000 and book value of furniture sold was 5,000. Opening furniture है 20,000. This will be shown in opening balance sheet. But out of 20,000, furniture having book value 5,000 sold for 2,400. Sorry, sold for 1,600. So there will be loss of 3,400. So remaining furniture will be 20,000 minus 5,000, 15,000 book value, but charge depreciation at 10% on closing balance of furniture. So amount of depreciation will be 1,500 and balance furniture 13,500 will be shown in balance sheet. Prepare income and expenditure account for year ended 31st March 2014 and a balance sheet as at that date. Firstly, we prepare income and expenditure account. Income side. Firstly, buy subscription 97,400. 96,000 subscription is received during the year. Out of 96,800 belong to 2012-13, so it will be deducted. Closing outstanding for current year 2,500, this will be added. Opening out advance subscription 600, this will be added, and closing advance subscription 900, this will be deducted. So add less करके ये figure आ गई बेटे 97,400. Now next admission fees 3,500. This is your income revenue receipt. Third, sale of grass 200. Next, donation 5,000. Next, given out a match fund receipt, that is capital receipt shown in liability side of balance sheet. Next, interest received 450. But there is a fixed deposit 10,000 at the rate 9%. Opening है, so 10,000 से 9% के according 900 interest receive होना चाहिए थी. But out of 900 only 450 interest is received. So remaining 450 interest is accrued. So in 450 बेटे तुसी add कर लेना है. So your total interest will be 900. इस accrued interest ਨੂੰ income भी show करांगे और balance sheets asset side. Now income side complete. Next expenditure side. Firstly salary. Payment of salary 17,000 but closing outstanding 1,400 add हो जाएगा और opening outstanding 1,200 minus हो जाएगा. Add करने तो बाद net figure 17,200. Next expense है upkeep of field, that is revenue expense 3,400. As it third, medicine purchase 4,000. Opening stock 480 add हो जाएगा और 650 जो closing stock of medicine है वो medicine दी total purchase जो minus कर देंगे. So net expenditure will be 3,830. Next expense is match expense, but there is match fund receipt. So this expense will be deducted from match fund. This will be shown in balance sheet. Next, building construction given है. This is also capital expenditure. Next, maintenance expense 3,600. This is revenue expense. Rent and taxes. This is also revenue expense 8,950. Next, grass seeds 500 revenue expense. Next है cost of second hand car. This is your capital expenditure. This will be shown in balance sheet. और last closing balance given है cash bank दे ये भी थोड़ी रजी की है asset side show होएगा. Now loss on sale of furniture. Last adjustments given है book value of furniture 5,000 but it is sold for 1,600. So there is loss of 3,400. और लास्ट है डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन फर्नीचर 15,000 से 10%। नाउ इनकम्स ਦੇ ਟੋਟਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਐਕਸਪੈਂਡੀਚਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਟੋਟਲ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਕਰਨੇ ਆ ਔਰ ਰਿਮੇਨਿੰਗ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜੋ ਸਰਪਲਸ ਹੈ ਬੇਟੇ that is 64,620 rupees। टोटलिंग कर देनी है राजी। नाउ prepare balance sheet। Firstly we will prepare opening balance sheet, after then closing balance sheet। Now balance sheet as on 31st March 2013। Firstly asset side, cash 800 given है to balance BD, as it bank, as it FD। Now outstanding subscription given in balance sheet, opening outstanding was 1,000, furniture given in adjustment 20,000 opening, stock of medicine given in adjustment opening 480, or at last total। Now liability side, capital fund actually a balancing figure, this will be 34,680, but before this you have to write advance subscription 600 given in adjustment, outstanding salary 1,200 opening outstanding given in adjustment, or at last total। Now we will prepare closing balance sheet as on 31st March 2014। Firstly cash given in closing balance, as it bank balance 6,000, as it FD balance 10,000। Outstanding subscription is outstanding 2,500 for current year, but there is outstanding 200 for previous year 2012-13, because total outstanding for last year was 1,000, out of 1,800 is received, so pending outstanding subscription for 2012-13 is 200, so total outstanding subscription is 2,700। Now furniture 13,500, opening furniture was 20,000, 5,000 book value was sold, remaining 15,000 minus 1,500 depreciation, so remaining furniture will be 13,500। Stock of medicine given in adjustment 650, accrued interest, total interest due was 900, out of 900 450 was received, remaining 450 is your accrued interest। Building given in receipt and payment count, as it second hand car 40,000, or at last total। Now liability side, opening capital fund 34,680, this is opening figure, add balance of surplus 64,620 rupees, so total capital fund was 99,300। Advance subscription, closing advance 900, as it outstanding salary 1,400, match fund given in receipt and payment count, receipt 12,000, out of 12,000 match expenses are 8,800, so net balance of match fund is 3,200, at last total। Thanks dear students।